Yeah. That's very small. Oh. Like it's crazy. Claudio.
You long?
Oh.
Well, we've got our full flaps and gear down.
Yeah.
Landing lights on, that's it. Those things there that come out off the end of the line. Those things that come out off the end of the line. Move down.
Can I video of all your videos?
Right, hang on, we're gonna land. Yeah.
Yes. Recording. Recording.
Yeah. Right, 1,000 feet. Two 200 feet. 100 feet. 50 feet. 30 feet. 20. 10. Retard. No, it's gonna be hard. No, it's not. Any reversible?
The other day. All these subcalls.
Cargo Fulgers, good morning, okay, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to Dublin. The time is approaching 2:30. It will take a few minutes for us to reach our parking gate, and we may stop along the way to the gate. So for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please do not turn on your mobile phone or any other portable electronic equipment until the door at the front has been reopened. We would ask that you take a few minutes to ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you. This also includes any reading material that you have brought on board. Remember to check the overhead bins, seat pockets in front of you and floor space around your feet. We would, however, ask that you take particular care opening the overhead bins. Items which may have moved around during the flight may fall out causing an injury to you or to another passenger. On behalf of Captain John O'Connell and the rest of the crew now this afternoon, we thank you for choosing to fly with AerLingus. We do hope you have enjoyed your short flight with us, and we look forward to welcoming you on board another AerLingus service in the future. For your future travel, we recommend you check out our website, airlingus.com, for your cheapest fares, great deals of hotels, travel insurance, and first class lounge. Goodbye, thank you, and a safe onward journey. Girl Manga the Court that we have AerLingus in use, long on its mannequin.
Yo!
Signore e signori, siete pregati di rimanere seduti e di tenere la cintura allacciata fino a quando l'aeromobile non sarà completamente fermo e il segnale di allacciare le cinture verrà spento. Siete pregati di non accendere i telefoni cellulari fino a quando le porte non siano state aperte. Signore e signori, il capitano e il suo equipaggio vi ringraziano per aver viaggiato con AerLingus. Speriamo che il volo sia stato di vostro gradimento e ci auguriamo di rivedervi presto a bordo. Vi suggeriamo di visitare il nostro sito aerlingus.com, dove troverete le tariffe più economiche e ottime offerte per alberghi, assicurazioni di viaggio e il servizio di autonoleggio con Hertz. Potete anche usufruire delle nostre tariffe speciali rivolgendovi al banco Hertz nel terminal dell'aeroporto.
That's what I mean by taxiway. Taxiway is the place where you drive on the runway. Call it taxiway. That's it.
What do you call it? Swag points, right there. Yeah. Right there.
I love the way you do that. Turn orange. What? What's going on?
Have it off.
That's an old airplane over there.
Where's it?
A300, 600 FedEx.
Yeah, sorry, FedEx.
But like now you're
Mate, all the planes are FedEx. Hold on.
I don't know.
I'm FedEx. Sorry, I'm Okay. It was a house there, not outside. What do you think yours is?
Cabin crew to found the doors for arrival and contact.
Sorry. Well, at least let's do that.